Guys, you want to make sure you're out at Brand X this year. It's going to be life-changing.
Hey, my name's Sam Knickerbocker.
How you doing, everybody? My name is Josh Zuniga.
Ryan Sandstrom.
Dave Walsa.
My name is Scott Orson.
Tyler Jensen.
Chris Heine.
Matt Sessa.
I'm Dan Clark.
Cassie with the Hot Mess Express here.
Dave Panazzo here.
I'm Tiffany with Rosamond Realty Group.
I see a lot of people a couple of years ago, they said they were going to change. Last year, you said you're going to change. This year, you said it was going to be a different year. Here it is halfway through the year. Where do you stand?
What I'm bringing to Brand X for you is confidence, clarity, and control of your financial future.
I'm coming into Brand X with an open mind and an open heart. The biggest thing that I want to take away from this, because there's going to be amazing, phenomenal people there, is going to be building more relationships.
I'm going to teach you how to take gigantic risks in your life, but make sure that those are very, very carefully done so there actually isn't a risk in your life. You're going to be able to achieve all the things you want to achieve because you took the leap and you have the opportunity to grow.
And the main thing I'm going to bring to you is show you how to be the best networker in the world. You learn how to network, you learn how to build your brand like Brand X, you're absolutely going to crush it in business and life.
I'm going to be talking about top performance and the 4 pillars that you can apply into your life and business to get you to the top.
And then the growth opportunities. There's so many amazing speakers.
I run a real estate team in Scottsdale, Arizona, so I'm going to be bringing some heat. I'm going to talk about how to look at sales in real estate. I want you guys to have the knowledge to be able to deal in today's market.
What I'm excited to take away from Brand X is the absolute connections with you and with all of your friends, the people that you know need to be in that room and have their life changed, who want to actually harvest the wealth out of their business and make sure it's there for their family when they need it.
You cannot miss this. I am so excited. I look forward to meeting so many people, getting re-energized myself, because without growth, you are stale, you are nothing. So every day you got to bring your best, and the only way to bring your best is to surround yourself with the best.
If you're ready to change your life, okay, you're ready to build yourself a brand, you're ready to grow your income, you're ready to recreate, build a new identity and become a different person, earn what you're worth, and find the next level in your life, you want to make sure you come to Brand X. This is where the top speakers are going to be. This is where the people who are actually getting the results that you want are at. And if you think it's your turn, we'll see you at Brand X.
I would love to share an event going on September 6th and 7th at the Phoenix Convention Center here in Arizona called Brand X. This event is going to redefine what branding is all about, and you're going to hear from amazing speakers, coaches, mentors, best kept secrets, fastest growing brands on what branding is all about. I want to tie you into an amazing network that drives me, motivates me, but mostly inspires me, and I know they will do the same. Grab your tickets, brandxexpo.com. Go.